Order of operations states the very first thing you do is grouping symbols, and then you do exponents, and then you multiply and divide working left to right, and the last thing you do is you add and subtract working left to right. So I want to do what's inside my grouping symbols first, and I've got addition and I've got exponents. So I want to do the exponents first. So that will be 9 plus 9 because 3 squared is 9, and then bring everything else down. Do what's inside your grouping symbols, and that will be 18. I can drop the grouping symbols now. I've added 9 plus 9 divided by 9 times 3 squared. And the next thing you want to do, you've got division, multiplication, and exponents. And exponents are before multiplication divisions. So that's 18 divided by 9 times 9. And then you're left with division and multiplication, and they're completed at the same level. You do not divide before you multiply or multiply before you divide. You work left to right. So 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 9. Bring down the times 9, and 2 times 9 is 18. I hope that helps.